Dear children, we are going to look at the poem from Unit 1, Poem 1, Rain in the Night, from English Bal Bharati, Standard 4th. Do you know, students, in English or any other subject that you are studying is written by some or the other person? So, today the poem we are going to study is also written by the poetess Amelia Josephine Burr, who is an American poetess. She was born in New York City and has written many poems. And Rain in the Night is one among them that we will learn today. So let us read the poem. Raining, raining all night long, sometimes loud, sometimes soft, just like a song. There will be rivers in the gutters and lakes along the street. It will make our lazy kitty wash his little dirty feet. The roses will wear diamonds like kings and the queens at court. But the pansies all get muddy because they are so short. I will sail my boat tomorrow in wonderful new places. But first I will take my watering pot and wash the pansies' faces. Let us see the explanation of the poem. As in the first stanza, the poetess has related a poem with music. As music is slow sometimes and sometimes fast. The same way rain. Sometimes it falls slow and sometimes falls fast. As in the second stanza, here the poetess says that the gutters turn into the rivers and the roads turn into the lakes. Why? Because of water everywhere. You all can see in the picture when it rains, the water gets flooded and it's water everywhere. And also many animals, they do not take bath daily. So in the rain, they wash their dirty little feet like Kitty in the poem does. In the third stanza, she says that when the raindrops fall on the rose, they shine like diamond, as the kings and the queens shine in their palace. Roses shine because they are on the top. But what about the pansies? They are muddy. But why? Because they are very short. I believe you also love to sail the boat like the poetess. Yes or no? Yes, as she tries to say that sail boat tomorrow in wonderful new places, but first she will take watering pot and wash the pansies so that they can also bloom and shine. This is so nice of her. Yes or no? Don't you think so? Okay, now with the end of this poem, we are going to do some assignment work. Write down the date, lesson name, and new words. Okay, now assignment number 1. Write down the rhyming words. Assignment number 2. Draw and write the name of the flowers in the poem. And yeah, activity to make the watering pot using old plastic bottle. So now let us do some textual caution work from Rain in the Night.